investigate, the more the heterogeneities are down at the molecular level. And what is better than investigating that with single molecules? And that's why one of the still most favorable popular techniques is single particle tracking, because this is exactly where you know here's a molecule interacting with something, here's the stopping, and so statistical analysis is only very, very tedious with that, and that's why we try to explore other techniques, but they will always be based on single molecules like fluorescence correlation spectroscopy. There are three reasons to it. First of all, with scanning you don't illuminate the same spot all the time. Good for photobleaching, yeah? For more photostability. Second, in a single measurement you get at least 250, 500, I don't know, data points at the same time. Lots of statistics. We just published that as well. Third, you get spatial information. And that's why for cellular applications, where usually the diffusion is slow enough so that you can capture it with a, I don't know, kilohertz scanning frequency, it's our choice. Because we get statistics, less photobleaching, and spatial information. I like it very much because, as I told in my talk, is what we need to combine now is to combine the mobility measurements with smart fluorophores. These membrane environment sensitive dyes, they shift their spectrum, so we like to combine it with spectral detection. I talked to Picoquant about this as well. But there are also dyes around that change their lifetime dependent on the environment. There we have it. That's exactly what we would like. If we have the right probes, there are probes around. For live cells they don't work yet because they internalize right away. That's why we can't use them. But there will be dyes around, and then we need phlegm. And that's why I would like to have a Picoquant system again.